Welcome back to Gadget Therapy, guys. Today we are looking at this Deebot 600 vacuum cleaner, which is a robot vacuum cleaner, and this is from a company called Ecovacs, and this is an amazing value for money, so stay tuned to check out the details. This vacuum cleaner has an amazing battery life of 110 minutes on standard settings. If you go to the max setting, where it is 2 times as powerful, it drops down to 70 minutes. So that is an amazing battery life. The Robo vacuum cleaner also has a bin capacity of 520 milliliters, which is quite decent. It will last you a couple of cleaning cycles before you have to clean it out. So not only can you use the vacuum cleaner with the remote here, but you can also use it with the phone app. Now, setting it up is quite easy. There is a QR code on the side of the vacuum cleaner which you use to set it up. It is also controllable through Alexa or Google Home Assistant. Now that part is a bit tricky to set up, but we will leave the instructions in the description below. Obviously, this is not the smartest robot vacuum cleaner out there, given the price. So how this works is it will map out a little bit of your house or the room that you want to clean it in, but it doesn't really save all that information in the app or in the vacuum cleaner itself. So what happens is it'll just go around bumping its head against objects, but it will start to learn where those obstacles are, where those edges are of the room. There are a couple of different cleaning methods available to you in this robot vacuum cleaner. The first thing that you will see is the random cleaning method, which I don't recommend. The other one is edge cleaning, and there is a spot cleaning. If you drop something on the carpet or on the hardwood floor, you can take it to there and just allow it to clean just a specific area. But the best feature it has is the ones that you've seen in other robot vacuum cleaners. It is the zigzag method. I definitely recommend this over the other ones because this is the most efficient and it cleans the best. So part of the feature set of this kind of vacuum cleaner is that you can also schedule it. You can schedule it once a week or twice a week, and you can set a time so that it's doing the cleaning when you're not at home. Another feature that you will see in the high-end robot vacuum cleaners that is missing over here is the no-go zones. So in the high-end vacuum cleaners, they actually map out your entire room and they save it to memory. And that way you can actually go into the app and set a place that you do not want the vacuum cleaner to be cleaning. There could be a couple of reasons for that. Maybe there's a lot of mess around there, that there's a lot of cables or something like that. So it doesn't have that no-go zone feature. So in our test, as you can see, it cleaned the entire room, which was 31 meters square, in 47 minutes. So it's not perfect. It does take a while sometimes doing certain parts of the room, and a lot of the times it does get confused where it has cleaned and where it hasn't. Fortunately, you can go into the app and check the cleaning log and just check how much time it takes, and you can schedule the cleaning process according to that. So there are 3 things that may need replacement. So that is part of the maintenance of this robot vacuum cleaner: the side brush, main brush, and the filter. So you can go into the app and you can check how long they will last and when do you need to replace them. So cleaning the vacuum cleaner or the maintenance is quite easy. There is a bin, as you can see here, and you just pull down on this tab here and it just comes out, and then it opens up and you can just clean it into the bin. The other part that you need to clean is the brush here, the main brush. You just pull these 2 tabs and it comes out easy peasy, and then you can just clean out the gunk or the fur or whatever you have. So as you can see, the vacuum cleaner cleans the edges quite well. It goes around the obstacles in a 360-degree motion and cleans around them very well. So in our test, as you can see here, the vacuum cleaner was tested with fine particles and slightly bigger particles, and it did a very good job on picking them up. In conclusion, this is an amazing product. It's really good value for money. The build quality is amazing here. I really like the color. I do like the feature set that's available here that you can schedule in the app. What I would have liked to see is some control of the Deebot manually through the app as well. Battery life is pretty good as well. It is competing with the really more expensive Roombas out there. So overall, an amazing product this is. For this price point, you probably just buy a standard vacuum cleaner, let alone a robot vacuum cleaner. And in my experience of having used it for more than a month, it has done an amazing job. It does clean the edges properly, it does clean my carpet and the hardwood floors perfectly. To see more details of where to buy this product, check out the description below, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.